Congratulations on completing Class 10. Are you ready to explore the exciting world of Class 11 and 12 physics? Let's take a thrilling journey through all the chapters you'll learn, with our trusty motorbike leading the way. Our journey begins with mechanics, the backbone of physics. You'll learn about motion, displacement, velocity, and acceleration. Ready for some thrills? Let's jump into projectile motion and discover how objects travel through the air. Next stop, forces and Newton's laws. Why does your motorbike accelerate when you twist the throttle? What keeps you balanced? Physics has the answers. Ever wondered how energy works? From potential to kinetic and even mechanical power, we'll uncover the secrets of energy transformation. Let's spin things up. Rotational motion explains how objects turn and twist, from wheels on your bike to the gears in a machine. Now let's explore the force that governs the universe. Gravity. From planetary orbits to objects falling to Earth, gravitation connects it all. Feel the rhythm of nature with simple harmonic motion. From pendulums to springs, simple harmonic motion governs oscillations in our world. Dive into the fascinating world of fluids and solids. From flowing rivers to the strength of materials, these principles shape our physical world. Feeling the heat? Thermodynamics explains how energy flows through systems from engines to ice. Listen closely. Waves and sound will reveal how vibrations travel and fill our world with music and communication. Let there be light. Optics explores how light behaves, from reflection to refraction, and even rainbows. Flip the switch and dive into electricity and magnetism. Learn how electric charges and magnetic fields power our world. Let's generate some power. Discover electromagnetic induction and how AC current powers modern technology. Finally, step into the future with modern physics. From quantum particles to the mysteries of relativity, it's a journey of wonder. You've just glimpsed the incredible world of physics, a world that explains the tiniest particles in the largest galaxies, the forces that move us, and the light that lets us see. Ahead lies an exciting journey filled with discoveries, challenges, and the joy of understanding the universe. Whether you're curious about how things work, dream of inventing something new, or simply want to marvel at the mysteries of the cosmos, physics will be your guide. And the best part? You don't have to travel this road alone. At PhysiViz, we'll guide you every step of the way, helping you unlock the secrets of physics through fun, visual, and animated explanations. At PhysiViz, we provide free, high-quality physics lectures assignments and tests designed for JEE Mains and Advanced. With in-depth explanations, animations, and practice problems, we make learning physics engaging and effective. Join us and master physics, absolutely free. Together, we'll make physics not just easy to learn, but truly exciting to explore. Subscribe to PhysiViz